Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add multiple stocks in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. Here you can see the watch list icon at the bottom left. Tap on it. Here you'll see the stocks that you are already tracking. Now to add a new stock, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. A search bar will appear. Now type in the name of the stock that you want to add. Let's say I'll add Adidas. You can look out for the correct stock and tap on the plus icon right next to it to add it to your watch list. Again, in the search bar, type in the name of the stock that you want to add again. Tap on the plus icon to add it. Now if you go back to the watch list, here you can see you have successfully added multiple stocks to your TradingView watch list. It's a very simple process and you can easily monitor your favorite stocks and stay updated with the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.